Alright guys, today we're going to do Chinese cold noodles. So they'll be served cold. What we have here is Hokkein noodles. You can use egg noodles, Singaporean noodles, just as long as they're thick. And inside it we'll be putting some cucumbers, coriander, capsicum, mixed salad. This is just boiling water brought up to a heat with Sichuan pepper, some garlic which we'll be cooking with some peanut oil on top, and some chili mixed with sesame oil. Let's go. These noodles, what we did was we just separated them. So we brought boiling water to a heat and just separated them, then removed them. You just want to add your capsicums, some mixed salad, coriander, and some of your cucumber mixture. We'll put a bit more later, so you don't need too much. Just heat up some peanut oil in a bowl to pour over your garlic. So you want to go through a sieve because of the peppercorns. There we go. Garlic oil. Remember that water that we mixed in with some Sichuan pepper? We're going to use that as our base. Liquid seasoning, similar to Maggi seasoning. Soy sauce. A little bit of salt. The soy sauce is already salty, so not too much. Cumin. Garlic oil that we just made. Some chili oil. Chili is just dependent on you and how chili you can eat. Just like this. Make sure you get it everywhere. Just give it a slight mix around. And see how you went with your seasoning. So simple, but super tasty. Really, really good. The way we usually eat this is we have it with our lamb skewers, cold. So, I mean, you can mix and match this recipe a little bit. Add some dry chilies, whatever you want. You can do a bit of lamb stir fry, put it on top. But because we have it with barbecue, we leave the protein portion out because it'll be cooking over the coal fire. Guys, give this a go. Very good for barbecues or making it for big family events, Christmas, whatever. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you.